In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find a dried ghast in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To get started, you first need access to the Nether. Build a Nether portal using obsidian and activate it, then travel through to the Nether dimension. Once you arrive, your goal is to locate the Soul Sand Valley biome. This is the biome where you have the best chance of finding what you need. As you explore, look carefully for nether fossils. These are large fossil structures made of bone blocks that generate naturally in the Soul Sand Valley. They can stand out against the terrain, but the area is often covered in soul sand and soul soil, so move carefully while searching. It helps to scan open spaces and the sides of valleys where fossil structures are easier to spot. When you find a nether fossil, search the area around it closely. A dried ghast can naturally generate next to some of these fossils. It appears as a block, so do not expect it to behave like a normal mob when you first find it. Check around the base of the fossil and nearby ground until you spot it. Once you have found the dried ghast, mine it and pick it up. You can use any tool for this, and if needed, you can even break it by hand. This makes it easy to collect once you locate it. After picking it up, keep it in your inventory and head back through your nether portal to return to the overworld. Back in the overworld, choose a safe place where you can complete the next part without interruption. Place the dried ghast into water. After some time, it will transform into a ghastling. This is the next stage of its growth, so once it changes, simply give it time. The ghastling will eventually grow into a happy ghast. At that point, the process is complete. The main challenge is finding the original dried ghast in the nether, so most of your effort will go into searching Soul Sand Valley biomes and checking around nether fossils carefully. If you want to make the search easier, bring enough food, armor, and blocks for safe movement in the nether. Soul Sand Valley can be dangerous, so preparation helps you search longer and return safely with the dried ghast. That covers everything you need to know.